guys, what's up? How you doing? Welcome to yet another video, another vlog. Yes, so today it's all about cleaning affair. We need to clean these the refrigerator. It's been long, it's been a while. I can't remember even the last time I did it. Yeah, but it's this is the best time because it has been off. Because as you can see, we don't have anything inside. Okay, we have the I don't know. These are not necessary stuff as such. Yeah, we don't have foodstuffs. That's what I can say. So this is I just thought this is the perfect time to give it a deep clean because it's very dirty. It's filthy. It's been long before we did this. As you can even see there, we even have rotten pepper, hot pepper. And down at the freezer part, yeah, not much at all. These things I think I really need to dispose most of them. So if at all you're watching my face and you've clicked in for the first time, yes, I want to say hello and thanks for stopping by, and kindly consider subscribing and liking this channel. And for my returning gang, my returning supporters, my returning subscribers, Asanteni Sana, and let's do this together. So first and foremost, as you can see, my sink is jam packed. Yeah, jam packed. So I just need, since I need also to clean the fridge stuff, let me just first clear this sink because there's no way I'm going to clean the fridge and wash the fridge wash the fridge stuff also because they are big parts. Yeah, so I need to first clear this sink and make some space. So kindly watch till the end and enjoy the video.
Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from him, send me tonight. I run away.
Yeah, so I'm done with cleaning the sink. This is just a step one. Yes, before like touching my fridge stuff. So the next thing I'm going to do, and I'm just going to what to boil my they're called my cleaning clothes and hand towel and all that. Yes, I've just noticed they've been so dirty. I've used them for a while because on top here of the sink, as I told you, it usually drips like water, so I have to secure like or to prevent water from like pouring down. I use these a lot of like, what should I call them, the dishcloths. Yeah, so this is the way I learned this, and I also learned from you guys boiling it. I'm telling you, if you boil these, they really become like so clean. I really like it. Since I learned about this, I really do it a lot of times. Yeah, and I'm telling you, the results are amazing. So what, let's just go straight into cleaning this filthy fridge. So the first thing I'm going to do is to drain my drinking water. Yup. So I have just to save this water because I know after cleaning it we'll need it. Yeah, since we even buy drinking water, I don't waste. I really don't waste water. I really don't waste water. So today is just watch and learn, see how we do it. Though I'm not going to say that I'm going to remove like the rubber. You see the rubbers that are alongside the door of the fridge. No. I'm not going to remove those rubbers today, but just watch on how I'm going to deep clean my refrigerator. So let me just start removing whatever is inside, like one by one. Yeah, one by one, and yeah, let's do this together, and I hope you're enjoying the vlog, and I hope you're going to learn something, and or you're going to be motivated to also clean your refrigerator after watching this.
What does it mean to be happy? Cause it looks like we all don't know. Glass half full or empty. Man, we just putting on a show. Try to look to the heavens to tell us things that we beg to know. Like, what did this all mean? There's no tomorrow. Oh, you know, I try to find a purpose in my life to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside. To drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead
So I'll go in and start washing my with the fridge. What should I call them? Compartments or what? How am I going to call this stuff? And tell me why this fridge was so dirty. And one thing I fail to understand. Oh my god. Do you know I even had cockroaches inside the fridge? My god, how does these creatures survive in this cold? I don't, cockroaches are spirits, like, on a serious note, because I don't just understand how are these cockroaches, roaches, been surviving inside the refrigerator. Tell me how now? How? Ah, they're really embarrassing me. I'm so ashamed. This house has been fumigated, even the fridge, but no, the roaches are in here again, and I really need to do something. And then For washing, what I'm going to use, I'm just using my Sufficient dishwasher liquid and what my scrubber. Yeah, it's such a hassle because I have to fetch water. As you all know, I have an issue with my tap. I've not fixed it yet, so we are just trying to manage. So even washing it, it wasn't easy, but I have to do this. So continue enjoying my vlog and kindly don't forget to comment, like, and share me out if you like. If you like such content, cleaning motivation and all that, you are in the right and the correct space, okay? So let's do this together.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with.
So I'm finally done with washing all these. You can see the way they're not just clean but dazzling clean. It's just that I don't have enough space here for them to drip. As I go ahead and wash the refrigerator, so that immediately I finish, I just try arranging everything back and clearing my surface. Yeah, so let's do this. This is the way the fridge looks like. It was very dirty, as you can see. some point, Saint insisted on giving me a helping hand. And I'm telling you, you cannot tell him no. He insisted. And if you know, you know.
Here
I
we
had to help,
are,
to let him
we
help
locked
me.
down in different cities, and our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too many years since California. Now the memories of us is all I have. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn, gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in this same sky, when I'm on the other side. Take me back to the life that we once knew, when the walls weren't closing in like they are now.
Yeah, so eventually it was a done deal. So let us just try arranging each and everything as required. Yeah, now the fridge was so fresh and so clean. Oh my god. The outcome was so perfect, so amazing. I like how clean it is now. I really like it. Okay.
That time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn, gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in the same sky, when I'm on the other side.
That's all you've watched my video until this point. I just want to appreciate you and thank you so much. My God, the Almighty God bless you for me. Yes. And don't forget to press on the notification bell so that in case I drop a video, you'll be able to be notified. Sorry for that. Oh my goodness. I'm doing a voiceover and my dog is here. S cannot stop barking. And let me just finish this video. And I'm telling you, like I had a challenge of like returning these
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, or nothing at all. Hold these doubts like the playing cards close to my chest. Turn them round for the river and hope it's something that I won't regret.